you're speaking at the Embodied Positive Psychology Summit up at Grapallo, and one of the things that we're trying to get across is that it's not just an intellectual endeavor, this sense of happiness. So what are some of the biological cues we might be aware of as an individual? If someone was listening to this and saying, all right, how do I recognize my own happiness?
Right. Well, there's one piece that I think is fascinating. I did some work a number of years ago teaming up with kinesiologists, and we induced emotions in people by having people relive a positive memory, or either a joyful one or a kind of relaxed, content, serene one, or sadness or anger or a neutral state. And we had them walk across a large room while they're feeling these different emotional states. And what we found was that when people said, yeah, I really felt that emotion, and then we looked at their kinematics, the way they were moving, there was broadening of the torso. So this idea that positive emotions broaden is not just an awareness phenomena, but it's a comportment phenomena as well. So that's one way positive emotions are embodied, is that they change the way we move through space. And we can pick this up in others from a distance too. So we can, it's one of the ways we are kind of cued into whether this is a safe person to approach or an interesting person to approach, is the way they're moving. And certainly facial expressions are part of that too. There are other aspects that seem to biological underpinnings of positive emotions that we've studied in our lab are things like cardiac vagal tone seems to support the experience of positive emotions, especially in social connection. People's circulating oxytocin seems to especially promote positive emotions in social connection. And so they're just different physiologies that go along with feeling connected and attuned and positive versus, feeling kind of like I need to protect myself, or, and those are each different from neutral. So we have these many modes of experience, and there's ways that our cells are getting the message about what we're feeling most frequently.